A Fiverr account warning usually means the platform detected something that breaks its terms of service, and if you ignore it, the next step can be account restriction or full suspension. By the end of this, you'll know what causes Fiverr warnings, how to fix them, and how to avoid getting a second one. First, here's the direct answer. A warning is not a ban. It's Fiverr telling you there's a problem tied to your account activity. That problem is usually one of four things: late deliveries, asking buyers to pay outside Fiverr, using copied gig content, or unusual account behavior like multiple logins from different devices or locations. The first thing to do is open the warning message and read the exact reason. Fiverr usually tells you what triggered it. That matters because the fix depends on the cause. If it's a performance warning, check your order completion rate, response rate, and on-time delivery. Fiverr tracks all three. Late delivery is one of the fastest ways to trigger account issues. Go into your active orders and use the extend delivery time option if needed. That keeps you from missing deadlines. If it's a policy warning, the fix is different. Remove anything risky from your gigs and messages. That means no sharing phone numbers, no asking for PayPal, no external payment links, and no copied portfolio samples. Fiverr scans chats and listings for this. If it's an identity or security warning, change your password immediately, turn on two-factor authentication, and review your login history. Fiverr flags unusual logins because account selling and sharing are against the rules. Now here's the part most sellers miss. Do not argue emotionally with support. Use facts. Go to Fiverr support, explain what happened, and tell them exactly what you changed. If you removed a gig description, say that. If you updated delivery settings, mention it. Clear action gets better results than long explanations. For the next 30 days, keep your account clean. Reply fast, deliver on time, avoid cancellations, and keep all communication inside Fiverr. That period matters because repeat warnings usually carry more weight. Quick recap. First, find the exact warning reason. Second, fix the specific issue, not random parts of your account. Third, keep your performance stable and follow Fiverr's rules closely. Your next step is simple. Audit your gigs and inbox today and remove anything risky. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Fiverr fixes and freelance guides.